Have you ever wondered what GoHighLevel's $97, $297 and $497 plans actually give you, and whether they're actually worth the money? Because here's what usually happens. People either pay for the expensive plan and never use half of it, or they grab the cheap plan and hit a wall the second they try to grow. And one important thing before we begin today's video, a lot of the GoHighLevel videos out there were made a while ago, and the tool has changed quite a lot since then. The plans are different now, there's extra cost that nobody talks about, and there are new AI features that didn't even exist back then. So if you've been watching an older video, some of what you've heard is already out of date. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through all three plans, who each one is for and when it's time to upgrade, and how to avoid paying for stuff you don't need. And stick around to the end of the video because I'll be showing you how you can get double the free trial plus some free bonuses to help you get the best possible start with GoHighLevel. So real quick, if you're brand new to GoHighLevel, let me explain what it actually is in about 30 seconds so you get a good understanding of it. So GoHighLevel or HighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform. So whether you're running a marketing agency, you're starting one, or you just run a normal business, this one tool replaces a whole bunch of tools you'd normally have to pay separately for. And the best way to think about this is that GoHighLevel is like the engine that runs your entire business. Everything lives in one place. Your customer list, your emails, your text messages, your follow-ups, your funnels, your websites, your calendars, your social media, all of it. Instead of paying for 5 different apps and trying to get them to work all together, it's all under one roof inside of GoHighLevel. So now that we actually have an understanding of what GoHighLevel is all about, let's go over the 3 plans and what they cost. There's the starter plan for $97 a month, the unlimited plan at $297 a month, and the agency pro plan, also called the SaaS plan, at $497 a month. So let's break down all 3 plans one by one, starting with the cheapest option. But first, one thing almost every video skips. The plan price is not your full bill. Sending text messages, sending emails, making phone calls, and using the AI tools, those do cost a little extra on top based on how much you use them. GoHighLevel calls this your wallet. You load it up with a bit of money and it pays for the usage as you go. And look, don't worry, it's not a lot. To give you some perspective, a text is about a penny each, and emails are well under $1 per 1,000. But it's good to know it's there so the price doesn't surprise you later. So let's break down the plans. The first plan, which is going to be the starter plan, is great for small business owners, solo entrepreneurs, and small agencies that are just getting started. I like to think as the starter plan as pretty much your starting point. It comes with all of the basics you need. You get a CRM, which is going to be the system that stores and organizes all of your leads and customers, plus your automations, your funnels, your websites, text and email marketing, your calendar, and the mobile app. And the one thing to pay attention to here is going to be the sub accounts inside of GoHighLevel, and this is going to be a very important aspect when it comes to understanding the pricing structure inside of GoHighLevel. So a sub account is basically a separate workspace, usually one per client or per business, and on the starter plan you get up to 3 of them. So to give you an example, let's just say you're a freelancer with a few clients. You could give each client their own sub accounts. So one for the local gym you do marketing for, one for a dentist, and one for a coffee shop. Each client gets their own separate space with their own contacts and their own campaigns, all kept totally separate from each other. And you run all 3 from one login for $97 a month. So if you're one business or an agency with a client or 2, that's quite a lot of tool for that type of money. And it's a great place to start. So the next plan is going to be the unlimited plan. And this one's going to be for businesses and agencies that are growing. It gives you everything in the starter plan plus 2 big things. The first one is right in the name, unlimited sub accounts. So remember how the starter plan caps it at only 3? Well, this one has no cap. So you can have as many as you want and you still pay the same flat $297 a month. And here's why this matters quite a lot. On the starter plan, the moment you land a 4th client, you're stuck. On the unlimited plan, there's no ceiling. 10 clients or 200 clients, the price doesn't move. So the more you grow, the better your profit gets because your cost stays exactly the same. Now the second thing inside the unlimited plan is going to be the white labeling feature. So that's a fancy term for a simple idea where you pretty much put your own name and logo on the software. So when your clients log into it, it looks like it's your own app, not GoHighLevel's. So here's a simple rule. If you're on the $97 a month plan and you want your own branding on it, that's your sign to move to the $297 unlimited plan. And finally, the Agency Pro plan, which is also known as the SaaS plan. And this plan is going to be for agencies that want to turn their agency into their own software company. It includes everything in the unlimited plan plus some powerful extras. The biggest one is automatic client signups. Here's how it works. A client goes to your website, signs up, pays, and their account gets created for them automatically, login, all that type of stuff. And you don't have to do a single thing. The other big extra inside of this plan is being able to add your own markup. So in plain English, you can charge your clients a little more than what those text, emails, and AI tools cost you inside of GoHighLevel and keep the difference as profit. So every message your clients send can make you a bit of extra money on top. So basically, this plan lets you run your own software business without having to build any software yourself. So those are the 3 core plans inside of GoHighLevel. So the number one question that I get is, what's the difference between the $297 plan and the $497 plan? So to make it simple, with the $297 a month plan, you have to set up each client by hand, which can take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes per client. And if you're signing up clients fast, you might even have to hire like a VA or someone else to do this on your behalf. With the $497 a month plan, that setup happens automatically. So clients can sign themselves up and get instant access. You don't have to lift a finger, so it saves you a ton of time as you grow your business. And the second difference, which is going to be just as important, is going to be profit. So what do I mean? Well, on the $497 a month plan, you can mark up those text, emails, and AI tools and resell them to your clients for more than they cost you. That's money you can't make on the $297 a month plan. So here's an easy way to remember it. The $297 a month plan gives you the tools, and the $497 a month plan turns those tools into a business you can actually use to make more money from. There's also one optional extra add-on worth mentioning, which is going to be the white label mobile app, and it costs $497 a month on top of whatever plan you're currently on. So what you get is a real phone app with your name and logo that your clients can download from the App Store. And of course, the $1 million question is it actually worth it? So if I'm being honest with you, if you're just starting out, I'll definitely skip it for now. But once you're growing, it's actually a great deal, because building your own app the normal way means paying developers tens of thousands of dollars. And this add-on gives you a ready-made one for a flat monthly fee, so you don't have to code anything. And if it's not for your budget yet, there's also a free app called Lead Connector you can use instead. It won't have your logo on it, but the good news is that it doesn't show GoHighLevel's branding either. It's neutral, so your clients won't see who's powering it behind the scenes. You just don't get your own name on it until you pay for the full white label app. Alright, so we've covered pretty much everything, but before you pick a plan, let me save you from 2 mistakes I see people make all the time. Mistake number 1. People think they need both the $297 plan and the $497 plan to run the software business side. And the truth is, you just simply don't. The $497 plan isn't an add-on. It replaces a $297 plan. So it's either one or the other, never both. So if you're paying for 2, you're wasting money. Just pay for one or the other. And the second big mistake I see people make is that they feel like they have to pick the perfect plan right away, like it's permanent. And it's not. So you can start on the $97 a month plan and move up as you grow. And here's the part that people forget. You can also move back down if a plan isn't working out for you. So for example, if you're on the $297 a month plan, you can downgrade to $97 a month. And if you're on the $497 a month plan, you can downgrade to the $297 a month plan or the $97 a month plan at your leisure. So don't overthink it. Just start where you are right now and let the plan grow with you. And if you only remember one thing from this whole video, make it this. The real difference between the $297 a month plan and $497 a month plan is going to be the automatic signups and the profit. The $297 a month plan still needs you to set the clients up by hand, whereas the $497 a month plan does it for you and lets you make money reselling the text, emails, and the AI. So that's basically the only difference. So now that you have all information you need to make an informed decision, I mean, the biggest question is, which one should you pick? So here's my honest advice. If you're a small business owner or a solo entrepreneur, go with the $97 starter plan. It has all the basics, it'll manage all your leads and customers, and it won't break the bank. If you're growing your business or a marketing agency, go with the $297 unlimited plan, especially because you get unlimited sub accounts, your own branding, and room to grow without any headaches. And if you're ready to go all in and build your own software business, the $497 Agency Pro plan is the one for you. Now there's one more update worth knowing about. GoHighLevel now has AI Employee. So basically a set of AI tools that can answer messages, write content, and reply to reviews for you. You can pay for it as you use it or get it unlimited for $97 a month per sub account. And if you want to resell that AI to your clients for a profit, that's what the $497 a month plan is for. So that's the full breakdown, all 3 plans, what they cost and who each one is for. If you're ready to get started, here's the best way to do it. use my special link down below in the video description or in the pinned comment section down below. Instead of going on the homepage and only getting a 14-day free trial, you'll get a 30-day free trial by clicking the top link down below. So you get double the amount of time to test out everything I just showed you and make sure it's right for you before you pay anything. And on top of that, you get my bonus bundle completely free, which is designed to give you an unfair advantage over everyone else when you sign up through the link down below. So this includes my courses on building and running your business inside of GoHighLevel, all my snapshots which are basically done for you setups that you can load into your account so you're not starting from a blank screen, my templates, and my traffic bonuses which show you how to get customers from YouTube and Google so you can actually get clients and traffic to your offers. So if GoHighLevel is a fit for you, grab the 30-day free trial link down below and lock in the bonuses so we can get you set up. And do me a favor, drop a comment down below and let me know which plan you're leaning towards or what you want me to cover next in terms of GoHighLevel. I read every single comment, and if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. If you'd like to watch more GoHighLevel videos or learn more about GoHighLevel in general, I'll have some videos on the end screen somewhere on screen so you can continue watching more videos. I'll encourage you to do that. And with that being said, thanks for watching my GoHighLevel pricing plans video.